Hey yo, what's up? This is Manzi Team, the Gospel Minister. Karibuni Karibuni sana kwa Chambua na Show, and this is where we chambua the Bible. We do have the Bible studies, we do have verses, memory verses ama verses of the Bible that tutakuwa tukizichambua day in day out mpaka we come to understand what God really wants from us and what God wants us to do, because we are being used as a God vessel. Usibanduke manzi. For new subscribers, karibuni sana. For returning subscribers, most welcome. Kwa moyo wangu mkunjufu na wakaribisha. Kuna kavasi fulani hapo niliandikanga ya ngoma fulani hapo inaitwa Iman. What I wrote proclaim who I am today, because I'm in love with God manzi. I feel great because what he has done for me is sijui hata I cannot even explain how I feel in my heart, because God has made me who I am today. Wangaina ni nice nasema bila yeye mimi kuisha, nafungua mlango akibisha, shito ataka nichome picha nikane Yesu kama pita. Mara tatu kabla jogo kuwika, sipandi matatu juu God amenibless na bima. Isinipe kiburi, nitakusifu hadi siku ya kaburi. Na kuna neno mimi siko njaa, sifa utukufu kwake jaa. Hii ni testimony kwako ushuhuda, neno itapiga hadi ifikie kina Huda. Amen, come from your God. Amen. I'm very happy that God now is working with me and I feel great. And today tunakuja kuangalia verse inaenda to Romans 8 verse 28. Inaongea about the goodness of the Lord towards our life. Yeah, so this what it says. And we know that God causes everything to work together for the good of those who love God and are called according to his purpose for them. Kitu ya kwanza tunakuja ku understand that hii verse inaongea kuhusu good. This is often interpreted to mean pleasant or enjoyable, but some things that are good for us involve pain. Consider the parent who disciplines a child, or a doctor who must apply a painful treatment to heal a wound. No. The parent and doctor knows why they are hurting. The children are patient, even though the one being affected may not understand. God knows everything for our life. We need to submit to God and trust that what we are experiencing will be used for good. Will be used for good. Because God knows us in and out. We are being used by God, and if we offer ourselves as a vessel to be used by God, then kuna matunda mazuri yanakuja. Wow. Romans 8:28 speak about God, the goodness that God has planned for his people. Thank you so much, and karibuni. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification, because every day we're gonna be turning on bringing out something that's gonna make you feel good. Just your day with Chambua na Show alongside